Before the introduction of the SIM50 system we're using, we had two basic different systems in doing manual ordering, which, as you know, it's almost impossible to make, not to make mistakes on stock, invoice and delivery notes. We had to double check everything that was going in and going out. The actual materials ordering was taking one person full time just to keep on top of the day-to-day materials, let alone the sundries that we were buying in. This we were finding was actually holding us back on quoting for work, and especially on new customers, as we were taking just too long to respond, trying to pull all the processes together to give them quotes. We needed to look for a package that could meet our needs, integrating the manufacturing along with an accounting package, and allowing these tasks to become a standard routine, and allow some of us to concentrate more on sort of working on the business instead of working in the business. Well, we initially started to look what was out there. We did quite a lot of research and asked other companies what they were using, and it all kept coming back to the SIM50 system. Now, that's quite an easy one. I mean, we went out and we'd listened to horror stories of people that had different types of systems installed that did not suit their business. We'd heard for solutions accounting through the normal media, word of mouth, and other people that were using them, and had an initial discussion over the phone. This led to a working meeting, looking what we thought we needed, with solutions for accounting actually telling us what we needed, which is sometimes hard to explain, but they were right. They gave us the right package that suited our needs for now, as well as what we needed going into the future. Straightforward. I mean, we'd be given all the documentation to fill in and how to migrate all the information into the accounts package, and that was easily imported across into the manufacturing system that we brought in as well. This was gone through in great detail to ensure we had it right first time, and we're given templates to use in Excel for the import all the information. Now, that's an easy one to answer. Bill of materials, stock through to quotations, production planning. It's been an absolute saviour for us. What used to take hours is done with a click of a button now, giving all the information on what to purchase with up-to-date costings. Yeah, I mean, without the help we've had with implementing the system in with Solutions for Accounting, I couldn't see how we would have come so far so quickly. The streamlining of all the process systems has taken days out of the weeks of certain personnel's time, allowing them and the business to grow. Oh yeah, of course, and I've already done so. We couldn't find a more knowledgeable company that has a sales force that's saying what we actually need. They were very patient with us, as it was a huge step for us, but they're there every step of the way to ensure that we had exactly what we needed. They explained everything to ensure our understanding was correct all the way, and I mean, the training was absolutely excellent.